Let's start to create an apartment. So for the design of the apartment, I'm going to start with a plane. So for the plane, I'm going to use a rectangle and I'm going to create an apartment with 6 meters and 7 meters like this. So it's an apartment of 42 meters square. Then I'm going to add the wall. So to add the wall, I click on Offset tool and I'm going to reduce of 20 centimeters like this. And after I'm going to add different guides to create the different room. So we are going to have the bathroom, we are going to have the room, the living room and the kitchen. I take a guide, tape measure tool, and I'm going to add a guide here. And I'm going to add a guide at, for example, to 3 meters like this. Then I'm going to add another guide. So here I have 5 meters and I'm going to add a guide to 2 meters 50. So I tape 250 centimeters like this. No, maybe I'm going to do something different, so I'm going to place here at 3 meters. So I tape 3 meters like this. Then here I'm going to let 1 meter here, and if I go from this, it's okay. So I'm just going to add a guide and here at 1 meter 120 centimeters like that. After I'm going also to add a guide here and I'm going to add another guide to 2 meters or maybe less, to 150 meters, 150 centimeters like that. Then I take line tool and I'm going to add a line like this. So I'm going first to add this line to this line, this print to this print, this print to this print, and this print to this print. So here is going to be the room. Then I take this print to this print and this print to this print. Here is going to be the bathroom, like this. Then I go on Edit, Delete Guides. I'm going also to add a line here, like this, and to add a line, for example, at to 100 centimeters. Like this. Then I'm going to add the guide to create the wall. So here I have just one line, I need to add another line. So I take this guide and I'm going to add 10 centimeters. Here 10 centimeters. So every time inside. Here 10 centimeters. And here this time at this level 10 centimeters, and here also I have 10 centimeters, so that's okay. Then I'm going to take line tool and I'm going to add this intersection to intersection, intersection to intersection, here to this print to this print also like this, and then also here, and this print to this print. Then I take eraser tool and I delete the different edge that I don't want to keep. This edge, but also here this edge, and also here this edge like this, and here also this edge. Edit and delete guides. I'm going also to go at this level. I take guide tool, and here inside also 10 centimeter, and after I take line tool, intersection to online, and intersection to intersection like this. Edit, delete guides. Now I'm going to place the windows and to place the doors. So I'm going to take the guide also, and here, for example, going to add the guide to 20 centimeter, and then another to 90 centimeter. And I take line tool, intersection, I go on the right, edit, delete guides. I'm going to place the windows. I take tape measure tool, and here it's the middle first, and after I'm going to add something with, here I'm going to add 80 centimeter, and here I'm going to add 80 centimeter also. Then I'm going to make the same work here. So I take the center point like this, but this time I'm just going to add here 60 centimeter and here 60 centimeter like that. Then I have just to take line tool, and I go intersection like this. Like that. Then I take eraser tool, so first edit, delete guides, and as you can see also here I need to take this. So it's okay for that. I go on colors, I take black colors, and here in black, like this, and the rest I can keep this in white. And I can also directly take the white color, like this, and white, like that. Now I'm going to add the few furnitures inside. So let's take for the bathroom. For the bathroom I take line guide tool, and here I can place something to 1 meter like this. And here it's going to be the, or here it's going to be the shower. Then I take offset tool, and I'm going to reduce of, for example, 20 centimeter like this. Then I'm going to place at this level, for example, the sink. So I take rectangle tool, I'm going to place a guide here at, for example, 40 centimeter. Then I take another guide to 50 centimeter, and here, for example, also 40 centimeter like this. And I can add the furniture like this. Then I'm going to add the toilet here. So I take, for example, from this guide, and I can pull and I can place, for example, 40 centimeter also. Or maybe I'm going to add 50 centimeter like this. After here, or first I can go something at 20. I take rectangle tool like this. Then I'm going to set two guides. So once here at 10 centimeter and another here at 10 centimeter. Then I take two arc point. I take intersection this point, and I'm going to pull something like this. Here also I can add a circle. So here I can take this point to this point, this point to this point. I take circle tool and I can add something like that. For example, at 20 centimeter. Then I take eraser tool. Like this. And I go also on edit and delete guides. And here, why not to do something like that? But I think that I can keep the line here. Then I'm going to go on the room. So I add the bed, guide tool. And here I'm going to add 1 meter, or maybe less than 1 meter. Yes, so I'm going to come back. Here, let's start with just 60 centimeter. Then here, 140 centimeter. Like that. And then, for the bed, I can add here 190 centimeter, like this. I take rectangle tool and I add a rectangle like that. Then I can place a guide here at 50 centimeter and I can add a line like this. So here it's going to be the bed. Here I would like to incorporate, for example, a wardrobe inside this place. I just need to take, edit, delete guides. I just need to take a guide and to place a guide like this at 50 centimeter. And then I have just to take line tool like this. And here I can add also a furniture at this level. So for this furniture, I take guide tool and I add a guide at 70 centimeter, or not like this. Here 70 centimeter and another from this guide to 120 centimeter. And then another guide like this to 40 centimeter, like this. After I just need to take line tool or rectangle tool and to go on the guide like this. And after, why not to change a little and to edit this, I can take this line and to do something like that, for example. Now here I'm just going to add the two pillows. So I take a guide and I pull one at 10 centimeter, another here at 10 centimeter, another here at 50 centimeter, and here also at 50 centimeter. I take rectangle tool, like this. Edit and delete guides. Then I'm going to go here. I would like to have the kitchen. So for the kitchen, I take also guide tool and I place one guide to 50 centimeter. I can place another here to, for example, 2 meters. And or maybe it's too much, maybe just one guide to 150 centimeter, and also at this level I can add something with, for example, 40 centimeter, and from this part to 60 centimeter, like this. Then I take line tool and I'm going to create a line from here, this point to this point, this point to this point, and this point to this point. And here is going to be the kitchen. Edit, delete guide, like this. Here I would like to have a small furniture also. So for the small furniture I take the line tool, the guide, and here I can add a furniture at 50 centimeter also, and from this point to 40 centimeter, and then 120 centimeter, like this. And here I will have another furniture, like that. Then we are going to work on the living room. So inside the living room, I would like to add here a furniture for the TV first. So I take here in the middle, I would like to add a guide in the middle. So like this. Then I add a guide at 60 centimeter here, and also on the left 60 centimeter. So you can see that exactly I center the different guides, and like that I can center also the furniture. I add another guide here at 50 centimeter. I take rectangle tool and I add a rectangle like this. So here it's going to be for the furniture. I can also add a guide here at 30 centimeter, another here at 30 centimeter, and another here at 20 centimeter. Then I take rectangle tool and I add a rectangle like this. Edit, delete guides. Here I would like to have exactly the sofa. So to add the sofa, I'm going to take first guide tool. I take this point and I'm going to go in the middle of this segment here. And then I'm going to add a guide on the right at, for example, 80 centimeter, and also on the left 80 centimeter, like this. Then I add another guide here at 40 centimeter and another guide here at 50 centimeter. Or maybe a little bit more. Here I'm going to add a guide exactly at 60 centimeter. I take rectangle tool and I add a rectangle like this. So rectangle tool and rectangle like that. And it's okay for that. Then I'm going to take offset tool, and here I create an offset of 10 centimeter. I take line tool, this point to this point, this point to this point. And then I can remove with eraser tool, and I can remove this part. And also I go on edit and delete guide, like this. And here I would like to incorporate a small table. So same work, I take guide tool, and I'm going, for example, to go, the middle, here it's the middle at 145, like this. So then I go on the right, 40 centimeter, and I go on the left, 40 centimeter. Then I'm going to add also two guides. So here it's not really useful, but I'm going to prefer to add two guides, and I add ones to, for example, this part, and another to 2 meter 10, like this. I take rectangle tool and I create the table like that. Edit, delete guides. And maybe that here we'll be able to add a decoration or a plant, and here a decoration or a plant also. So I take circle tool and I can add a circle, for example, here. Then I can move the circle a little and to place like that. And I can take another circle and place a smaller circle at this level, like this. I just forgot one thing. I just forgot to incorporate the entrance. So the door for the entrance I'm going to incorporate here. I take guide tool and I'm going to add here to 1 meter, and another guide. I'm going to go from this part and I'm going to add 90 centimeter, like this. And here I take the line tool and I'm going to add a line here and a line here. Then I use the white color to integrate like this. So here is my indoor, is my main entrance at this level, and edit, delete guides, like that. And it's okay, we have finished for our 2D plane. So as we can see, for this apartment of 42 meters square, we have exactly a room, we have a bathroom, we have a small kitchen here, a main entrance, and we have also a living room.